Hey everyone, Yuri here. It's been a while. If you just got your E1 printer, I decided to make you a video to show you what your printer is capable of. In this video we are preparing decor set for the St. Patrick's Day holiday using standard bed, mini bed, rotary attachment and laminating machine for creating UV-DTF stickers. But the same workflow applies to any other holiday or any other gifts or goods that you would like to prepare, so enjoy! Today we are creating St. Patrick's Day decor set using the EufyMake UV Printer E1. We'll print directly on ceramic and glass and also create custom UV-DTF stickers. In this project we'll walk through 3 E1 workflows: flatbed printing, rotary printing and UV-DTF transfers. We'll use the mini bed for coasters, the rotary attachment for glasses and the standard bed with the laminator to create stickers. We'll start with ceramic coasters using the mini flatbed. In EufyMake Studio, we capture a snapshot of the bed and align our design. To help with the alignment, we can lower the design opacity and position it precisely. Since the coasters are already white, we select CMYK plus glass without a white base. Material is set to ceramics and quality to high quality. When everything looks correct, we send the job to E1 and start printing. After printing, we remove the coasters and take a closer look at the result. Next, we switch to the rotary attachment for cylindrical objects. Before printing, we clean the glass to remove oil or dust. The glass is placed on the rotary and aligned to make sure the design prints exactly where expected. After mounting the glass on the rotary attachment, we run auto measure. We also select the glass shape so the printer can calculate the correct measurements. While the measurements run, we can prepare the design in EufyMake Studio. Material is set to glass and quality to high quality. For glass printing, we select white, CMYK and gloss varnish using 3 layers of white. The rotary rotates the glass while the printer applies the design. For glassware like this, hand washing is highly recommended. For surfaces that can be printed directly, we can create UV-DTF stickers. Before installing the standard bed, make sure to remove the protective foam inserts. We place film A on the bed, but keep the protective layer on while preparing the design. Inside the EufyMake Studio, we select Sticker Craft mode and prepare the layout. Once everything is ready, we remove the protective layer and start printing. After printing, the sheet is laminated to create the stickers. The laminator is preheated until the indicator shows it's ready. The printed sheet is then fed through the laminator. After lamination, the sheet can be cut into individual stickers. The stickers cannot be applied to glass surfaces. They work well for objects like pictures, windows, mirrors and many other materials. By combining direct printing and UV-DTF transfer, the E1 can decorate a wide range of materials and objects. Using flatbed printing, rotary printing and UV-DTF transfers, we created a complete seasonal decor set with the EufyMake UV Printer E1. This is a great example of how can you use your E1 printer to create custom products and gifts using different materials. And if you would like to learn more about E1 printer, make sure to check the link down in the description or just scan the code on the screen. And if you want to see more projects like this, we are working on more videos for you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.